The WHO classification for benign liver tumors is broad, can be classified into epithelial and non-epithelial. Epithelial component will be covering the hepatocytes and the biliary cells, the tumor arising from the hepatocytes and tumor arising from the biliary cells. Non-epithelial component will be covering the mesenchymal part. A brief idea about hemangioma. Hemangioma are the commonest benign liver lesions. They can be found in many patients. Nearly they cover about 70% of all benign liver lesions. They can be diagnosed at any age, and majority of them are diagnosed between the ages of 30 and 50. The common hemangiomas have a female preponderance, the ratio of approximately 3:1. Hemangiomas are estrogen sensitive. More amount of estrogen receptors are found in hemangiomas, and accelerated growth has been observed in high estrogen states such as associated with puberty, pregnancy and OCP use. They are often solitary, but multiple lesions are seen in around 40% of the patients. You need to know about giant hemangiomas, which are the common hemangiomas that may require treatment, either in the form of radiological intervention or rarely in the form of surgery. Giant hemangiomas are hemangiomas in which the size is more than 10 centimeters, as it has been mentioned over here. Most frequently they are seen in the right lobe of liver, but they can be found in both lobes of liver. Most of the time they don't require any treatment except for giant hemangiomas. The microscopic architecture can be compared to a sponge that is soaked in water. You will be able to see like cavernous vascular spaces of varying sizes, and there will be a septa which may contain thrombi, and giant hemangiomas may develop a collagenous scar or fibrous nodule as thrombosis. That fibrous nodule is that will show a thrombosis in it, that occurs because of thrombosis. Common clinical features, you will be able to see the patient might complain of right upper quadrant pain and fullness. Sometimes giant hemangiomas can compress. If it is a hanging type, they can compress onto the stomach and cause early satiety. That patient will complain of bloating sensation, and they will not feel much hungry. In cases of thrombosis or bleeding, the patient might present with acute abdominal pain. Abdominal pain from an acute thrombosis may be associated with fever, and chances of, even if the necrosis component is more, then chances of them presenting with abscess is also there, which is quite a rare presentation. And in case of some cases, hemophilia following hemangioma rupture can happen into the biliary tree.